my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making a coconut ice cream today. So I'm using this coconut milk. I'll be using 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I'll be using this kind of honey, 1/2 cup of honey. If you have the liquid honey, you can use it. This is the one I have. So I'll be using this line, because this half, I don't have to press all. Let's see if it's smooth. Yeah, very smooth. So we had to put it away to freezer for a few more hours, or even till tomorrow morning. We can just leave it overnight. Okay, I'll just cover it, take it to freezer for overnight. See you tomorrow. Welcome back to my cookie channel. We have a pineapple ice cream to make. This is frozen pineapple. We have 2 cups of it. This kind of cup too. Okay, we'll be adding 1/2 cup of coconut milk and 2 spoons of honey. I have frozen honey. I will keep using this frozen honey. I will just add this kind of small vanilla extract. Okay. Okay, so it's very smooth. I still have to leave it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. But you really have a nice taste, very good taste. So this is the pineapple ice cream. So I'll just cover it, taking it to freezer. This is the one we did before. I'll just leave them overnight. Tomorrow we have ice cream. Bye for now. Finally we have time to do our pineapple ice cream. So this is the result of it. Oh, this is really cool. This is really cool. Let's try the coconut one. I was supposed to finish it yesterday, but Jesus, wow, I can't explain how the taste, but this is really good. Thank you. Please, we'll put the ingredients and how we make it for the cashew. And we actually spent 2 days in freezer, not because it's supposed to spend 2 days, that's because I wasn't available to do it. Thank you and have a nice summer. Please try it and let us know how you feel. Bye.
Big Maggie no much with the dick and call inside. Yummy, yummy, yummy taste. We get it too many.